She found that one.
Yo.
She found that one.
My sister gonna wake me up. The business is here.
Boy, I'm sorry. Wait here. Money full.
Come on,
Wait a
come
minute.
on.
Hold on.
Oh my God.
Hold on, baby. I ain't got no music.
She done fail, y'all. Good game. Oh, no. Come on.
This kill.
Let's kill. Yo.
Life is good. You know what I mean?
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger.
We are back with another travel vlog. I just want to come on here, do a quick intro. We are in Raleigh Airport right now. I'm sorry, y'all. I look good. Hold on. I'll see myself in the mirror. I'm gonna turn around a minute. Anyway, so we are in Raleigh, North Carolina right now. We have a layover in Miami, and then we are going to be going to Cancun from Miami. So I'm so excited. I just want to give a quick intro. Welcome to another travel vlog with your girl.
But you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me?
We have a great day to fly. I anticipate a fairly smooth flight. When we get back up to our cruising altitude, I'll get back with you on arrival time and the weather. We should be underway shortly. Welcome aboard.
Gotta have a sheet, don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's
Alright, y'all, we have arrived. We got back to Cancun. We're ready to set up. We're about to take the shuttle over to the hotel. And then it's stuck after that. It's stuck, but I'm gonna check the hotel later.
we both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song.
Alright, and then we gonna do this little door right here. That's Kiana.
Okay. Girl, we should have just walked to the key letters out right here. They could have just brought us
2113. What's our room number?
2118.
2118. Yes, it was right here. Oh, because me and Bree. This was just sites.
You're good, I'm good too.
Hey. She said, swing my way, I'm gonna swing yours.
Yes, right here is the party area. And you mentioned the staff are doing some activities here in the morning. If you remember the restaurant Rodeo, go past the restaurant Rodeo. Behind the white building, you can get the logo.
Okay.
Secret for you. Welcome.
Thank you. Okay, that's oh, it feels good in here. Birthday girl already
I
done.
guess that's how you celebrate your birthday.
Birthday girl already
That's
done.
okay, man.
Sorry if y'all hear people talking, but we have made it to the hotel. We're probably not gonna do anything tonight. I'll insert clips of my friends. Whenever we got here, they were DOA, like DOA, dead on arrival. So we're probably not gonna do anything. We're probably gonna go, just go chill at the bar, go get some food, because me and Maya have not ate. Well, we had Wendy's at the airport, but that's all we've ate today. So we need to go get some food. So anyway, we probably won't do anything tonight. So if I don't check in with you guys tonight, then I will see you guys tomorrow. We should have a full day of events tomorrow. Hopefully some fun things. Probably just really chilling at the resort. Oh my gosh, y'all. First of all, if I have this right here, when I tell y'all, I have not been able to find, that's so crusty of me. That's so fucking crusty. But y'all, my lips have been so freaking chapped. Like, they have been so chapped. So if you see this right here, it's literally because I was like peeling skin off my lips. Like, that's disgusting. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But whatever. That's what's going on right now. I didn't get hit in the lip or anything. So if y'all see that, y'all probably ain't even know. Whatever. Anyway, so we're probably gonna go get some food. I'll see if I can take a little video of the food, whatever. Again, if I don't check in with you guys tonight, then I will see you guys tomorrow. We should have a full day of events, but I will see y'all tomorrow. It is hot as fuck. It's hot as fuck. It's hot as hell. But I'm super excited, so I'll see you guys.
Hey.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Been so long from a nigga so cheap. Being flex OD, sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl,
Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not installing. Through the coupe of 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you knowing being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
Good morning, you guys. Listen, I know I said we weren't gonna do anything last night, which we really didn't do anything. I probably have like a little bit of footage, but we just really ended up drinking and chilling. There was like a little club, supposed to be club, like on the resort. So we went there, we got some food. Yeah, and I woke up with a headache. How did I get in bed? I don't know. But anyway, today is a new day. I'm about to go meet Kiana. She's in the restaurant area. I'm trying to get my words together, honey. I'm tired. But anyway, I'm about to go meet Kiana. We're about to go get breakfast. And then I don't know what today will bring. We're doing like all the ATVs and boat rides and stuff the next couple of days. So I think today's probably gonna be another chill day. Probably chill at the pool, eat, drink. That's it, that's all. So, yep. I will see you guys at breakfast. Hopefully it's good, because I ain't got time. I'm hungry. Anyway, I'll see you guys at breakfast. So we are up, we are active. We're about to go in the pool, have a good pool day, bathing suit, Amazon. Anyway, so yeah, we're about to go to the pool. It's probably gonna be a fun day, so tag along. It should be fun. We went and got breakfast. It was good. It was really good actually. So let's take some shots. Let's take some shots. Shot?
Shots.
Here we have the birthday girl. We have the birthday girl. Hello. My baby about to be 25. She growing up on me, y'all. 26?
Why would you assume she was 25?
I'm still thinking I'm 25. And I turned 26, didn't I?
All right.
I'm over here. I gotta redo the whole intro next. I'm like, it's her 25th birthday.
Oh, yeah.
Bitch. Sorry.
You owe that.
I'm trying to keep us young. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm trying to keep us young. Hold on, let me set this up differently.
All right. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
We ain't got no cups. I wish my do. Do what it do, babe. Do what it do, Maya. Can you at least come hit the bottom?
Ooh, this baby is sweet.
I'm sorry.
So we finna drink that and we finna get on tequila. Come on, man. Y'all done lost y'all goddamn mind.
I ain't bought a damn bottle for no reason now.
Ooh, I got this little baby too. I just took a picture just like that.
That's it, that's all.
That's it, that's all.
Damn, I'm not gonna be able to open the bottle?
Because the tits are titty. Very much so. Very much so.
Hey y'all, I'm here with my best friend. Best friend, show him your moves. Go. Ooh, yeah, get it, I guess. Okay,
You're fine. It's your video shit.
I know. But you was having your moment. I had to let you have your moment. Well, to a good birthday, to another year, to another successful year.
Another fucking year. Period. I gotta drop you.
Right. Yeah, come on. Wait. Hold on. That's too much. I'll be scared of thinking about too much. Bitch, you have you drowning. Maya always gotta be so cute and shit.
I do, always.
I might have poured you too much. I'm sorry.
You ain't sorry.
I'm not.
Is that Pepsi sweet? Pepsi.
What?
Like you ain't never had Pepsi. No, you
Alright.
just said everything is sweet in here.
See y'all at the pool. We're gonna call y'all later. Y'all better pick up. Be ready for a shot.
I'm good, love and joy.
This bitch done poured it out.
Alright. Call room service, tell them I need a fries. That ain't good, right? Well, damn, y'all
y'all said fuck us.
We got you shit. Come on.
Hold on.
Take half of mine. I appreciate it. Half of mine. Thank you. What's this? You don't want it?
I poured some in here. I just drank all that drink.
But we gotta take those.
What you mean?
Come on.
I done took 3
To a good day.
See what my baby said? I took care of it. We got food. We got poolside food. Hey, Mayo. Nah, call room service again, though. Tell them you need that dough.
This heat and liquor about to take people.
Miss Kim, you don't want to with us? Or Miss Kim, I'm trying to live.
Maya, Monet.
You coming to the beach?
What? To the beach.
Okay.
We're going to go to the other side. Yeah. The family part.
Thank you.
I'm going to the other side.
I'm going to talk to concierge. Hey, we need snoring. They told me y'all had this stuff over here, so I got about 10 people.
Yeah, I know we surpassed it, baby. Keep going.
My card ain't got no limit, so just charge me some.
This girl in this unlimited card. Right, like, okay.
Meanwhile, my mama said, I see you ain't swiped the American Express yet. You I said, girl, everything is exclusive. I ain't need to swipe yet. I ain't need to swipe. Wait till I get back to the States. Somebody going on a shopping trip. Just let it be. Let it be. It's a wrap. Oh, yeah, we got to put the glasses on. I ain't gonna lie.
I can put my hands in the water now.
Maya!
Ooh, I have my watch on. Huh? It feel good. It feel real good.
Come on, play naked.
Y'all ready? Everybody? Oh, y'all ready? All right, shots up. Shots up. Y'all.
Hey, sorry. Get you with some bad bitches. No, they're gonna have to catch you with some bad bitches. Okay. Focus to clean the room.
This is the person that was like 10 shots whenever you get here. 10 shots. 10 shots.
This is Aaliyah. This is Alexis. They
Guys,
fine.
do you have a mask?
Who are you talking to? Girl, housekeeping.
Oh.
Hey! My girl. Maria.
We have Mama in the bag. Yes.
Yeah.
You Alexis. I already
And this is what I was saying. This is the person.
right there.
This is the person that was
This is
saying
Maya
10
right
shots
here.
whenever you get here.
M-A-Y-A.
Okay, period.
What's wrong?
I tried to tell you niggas. Look, I knew what was going on.
It's the sun. The sun is what did it. The sun hit everybody.
It's whatever.
It's
It go
whatever.
down in the DM. It go down. It go down in the DM.
I'm up. I'm alive. I am up. I am alive. Apparently, I went to sleep around 3. Yep, went to sleep around 3. Woke up around 8. We have Alexis. Hey!
What's this?
I'm vlogging for YouTube. Period. Why YouTube? What are you drinking on? This is a shot.
Water,
Oh,
hydration. I love this dress.
thank you.
Where'd you get it from?
Shein. But anyway, we just chilling in the room right now. We're chilling. Let me shut this door. Hold on. Oh yeah. Okay, that's better. All right. So anyway, we're chilling right now. We have like some of our friends in the room chilling. So hopefully we go get some drinks or something. Come on, Jack.
Hey, you know, was getting it for the footage, was getting the content. Couldn't come out here yet. Oh. All right, look, listen. I need y'all to smash that notification bell right here. Like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Let me tell you. Oh, come around this way. This is hard. Here we go. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell their mama, to tell their grandma, to tell their friends. Comment right here. Drop it down below.
Say what's up. Say how y'all doing.
Hello.
What's up?
Alright, cool.
We in here getting the foot. Okay, so we got people interrupting our footage, but yeah, we in here. Come on, Lexus. Come on, cause
Oh, all right.
now.
Hey, YouTube again.
All right, so we in there. I'm gonna drop my channel right here, baby. I got maybe 2 followers.
I'm gonna link it.
Oh, my channel too. I got 3 channels.
Ooh, period.
And Aaliyah single, so niggas.
Oh my god.
Tap in.
I'm quick as hell.
Oh my god.
I wasn't ready. I wasn't
I
ready.
didn't know.
Oh my gosh, y'all. For real though, what's the plan? What's the moves? What's the plan?
I don't know, but I'm finna leave y'all and go get drunk. Right?
No, this about 2, 3, 4.
This is shot.
Y'all got some juice?
What's one shot?
Y'all getting a collection of white people.
Who said
I
that?
just want to say thank you guys for coming. I sent it out to everyone. This is 26. So yeah.
To 26. To 26.
Hey.
96, baby. Hey, gang. Gang.
Alright, everybody turn their drink up. Yeah.
Okay, take it. Take it to the head.
Absolutely not.
Delish. I didn't know it was open to the half. I'm over here like.
Did you say delicious, Amy? Y'all.
You ain't taking it.
Hey, she done bought that thing. Now she out. You're not open that. Aaliyah. You're not open that. I'm gonna save it. Why they got these damn balls right here? Boing, 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 boing. What is it? Boing, boing. Go ahead, go ahead. Boing, boing, boing. You gotta open the legs a little more. Open the legs a little. You said what? I said open the legs a little more. You gotta do it wide. Yeah. 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 We are out here. We're about to go get on the yacht. So you already know how that's about to go. Sorry, I ain't been doing no introductions, but it's time to get lit. It's time to turn up. It's time to have a good time. Everybody looking bad, so I can't wait to show y'all everybody. So we about to look good on this boat, baby. We about to look good on the boat, baby. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the boat. Muy bien.
With power. Yeah, muy bien. Because I want that my coworkers are a hero. Entonces, chicos, ¿cómo están?
Bien.
Guys, welcome to the Good Adventure. My name is Daniela, as Daniel, but with an A at the end. And today I am your tour guide. So basically, if you're thirsty, thinking Daniela. If you're hungry, thinking Daniela. If you have a question, thinking Daniela. If you just need something, thinking Daniela. The worries today are for me, not for you. Now guys, let me introduce to all my crew on board.
Fila del bautizo, cantaron los ruiseñores. Ya viene amaneciendo y a las 12 ya nos dio. Levantaste más temprano.
Everybody say it. Arriba.
Arriba. Abajo. Al centro.
Mexican cheers, my dear friends. Everybody say it. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. She tapped me. She said she tapped me. I'm about to do this. I said, okay. I'm ready.
Hand me the bottle. Are you in water? Everybody say it. Viva Mexico! Viva Mexico! Mexican toes, my friends. I want to take a group picture now.
Tokio, Cancun. Ok, amigos, bienvenidos. Vuelvo a primer ser ambientado. Tenemos Carlos, el derecho de Tuna. Vamos a ver qué dice que parece.
Come on. Come on. Mamacita! Mamacita! I'm not ready. I ain't gonna make it. This is a lot of work. Okay, yeah. Here we go.
Good morning, you guys. So listen, it worked. Okay, so sorry I have not been updating you guys on all the festivities and everything that has been going on. We've just been out here having a motherfucking ball, okay? Out here having a ball. But just to give a quick rundown, what we do. The first night we got here, we was just chilling in the pool, drinking. I was out probably about 5 o'clock, so that was done. And then the second night, that's when we went to, where'd we go to? See, I don't even remember. That's when we did the boat, yeah. So yesterday we did the boat. You can see all the footage from that. I just said, update you guys about what, or where. I guess, oh, thank you. But we took a boat to Isla Mujeres. Am I saying that right? Isla Mujeres. That was really fun. We were expecting to be the only people on the boat. We weren't the only people on the boat, but we still had a good time. Still had a very much good time. It was very fun. We came back after that. Then we went to dinner. Again, you guys saw all this footage. It was the birthday din-din. And then we just chilled last night. Started drinking some more, chilling. My iPhone storage got full, so you know how that should go. But anyway, but now we are going to breakfast now and to take our COVID test. And then we are going to, good morning. And then we are going to do like ATVs, ziplining, the cenotes, things like that. So, yep, that's the plan for today. Had to give an update because I ain't been talking to you. I've been recording, but I ain't been talking to you guys. So, here's me talking. Here's my update. Anyway, I will try to update you guys for the rest of the trip. We gonna see. But anyway, I'll see you guys later.
Yes. Before I move in the cenote area, you have a time for come back fast in the lockers for the cell phone and towel.
All right, y'all. We had a fucking sorry for my language. We had a blast on the zip lines. So the last one that you do, you land in water. That shit was fun as fuck. But we couldn't take our. Bitch, I'm so excited. We couldn't take our phones on the Ziplines. So yeah, so now we can have our phones, but we're about to go to the ATVs, do the cenotes. But anyway, yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend this place. I'll figure out the name of it and let you guys know. But this one is top notch, so much fun. But yeah, if my quality gets bad, I'm putting my phone in my waterproof case. So yeah, it might get bad. But anyway, I will see you guys later.
Okay.
You know, I'm definitely the one to fall.
Okay, baby. You gon' hurt your fine.
Oh, wow. Spooky. That water.
That shit is murky. Murky, boy. I ain't getting in there. That shit look murky. That is a man-made lake.
No, I think you can let yourself in.
Fishes and shit in there. I'm not fish? Yeah, right there. I'm not getting in.
Oh, there's fish.
Yeah, I'm not getting in.
Oh, that's fish in there?
Yeah.
It was a turtle.
Oh, it's a hell no, man.
¿Dónde?
Martin. That's not gonna come off, is it? For real.
You heard me, Bree? Huh? Go ahead. No, I said jump.
Go ahead.
How far is the water? Is it deep or something?
Can she swim?
I can't swim. No, it's fine. She can swim. I can't swim, but she can swim. How we gonna do that? We can float? We float? We can float. It's only 25 feet.
She said only 25 feet.
Girl. Cameraman.
What are you doing?
There she goes.
Come on, come on.
Get it.
You ready? Why aren't you jumping?
I got this.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Who was that? I was like, throw up. Come on, Bree.
You got it, Kiana. Kiana.
You did good. Watch out, Bree. I mean, Lily.
Look at Maya, she's doing it.
Leo. Oh, I'm like, is there somebody else named Maya?
No, it's you.
Hey, girl.
That is cute. What is that? No problem.
Kiana, it was fun, wasn't it? Let's go, Maya.
Go, Maya.
Yeah, I got it up there hanging.
Hair switch up.
Okay, Pan, because guess what? With the wig, I still got natural hair. Boo.
Ooh, period.
Period, poo.
I ain't never been a little hair.
But okay. Still got bundles.
Her hair trail so pretty. Ooh, I love it.
Ready, do a pose. And 1, and 2, and 3, and go.
Go!
Come on.
You guys
Come on.
just do it. Hey, like Nike, just do it. Go ahead. Get a head start. Run.
Come on, baby.
1, 2, 3.
She ain't got no life jacket on.
So
She on the swim team.
you can tell.
I'm joking. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! One, 2, 3, go!
This gotta be so much fun. Steps, you guys.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna do the one motherfucking spot.
Yeah. You can hold it. You can hold it. Come on.
It's not gonna be a long ride. It's alright. Y'all just punk me out. Y'all just punk me out. Oh, I forgot about that.
Oh, that's why he said side by side. Yeah. Yeah, that would have been fun. I kind of want to drive that.
We outside.
I really want to draw this big shit right here. That's what I want to whip. That's what I want to whip. ATV is coming. I don't even know if y'all can hear me over here talking.
Ready, guys? Don't forget the Tony Rocker.
I remember Raul. That's because he kept flirting with me. Because he remembered my name. He said Bree, right? I remember. Period.
About the driver, very important information about your driver. Your driver are ready for you when you're ready.
Thank you. That driver is ready for us.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
no, no. I wanna love you. I wanna love you. Love and treat you right. I do it here. One more time.
If I sound crazy, just know I just woke up. So yeah, I probably sound crazy, look crazy. It's okay. Anyway, so today we are leaving. It's Sunday. Oh my gosh, you hear the birds? Anyway, it is Sunday. We're leaving. Our flight, it leaves at it doesn't leave till 5, but we're leaving the hotel around 1. That's what time our shuttle comes. So yeah, but sadly it's raining today. I wanted to at least go walk down to the beach before we leave, but it's raining. So if it lets up by the time we get ready to go, then I might just walk down to see if I can get a quick video at least. I just don't want to be in the wet sand. But yeah, so that's it. That's all. That's a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed. Last night we didn't do anything after the Atvs. We came back, we got dressed, and we went to dinner at this Italian restaurant that's on the resort. I don't know if I got any clips from that. I don't think I did, I'm sorry. But anyway, after that, we went to the resort was having this reggae themed party where they had a live reggae band. It was really fun, really cute. I do have footage for that, so you guys would probably have already seen that by now. But anyway, so yeah, that was really fun. And then after that, we literally just came back to the room and chilled. Some people had really, really early flights. So yeah, that was it. That was all. That was a wrap. This was a very fun trip. I'm so glad we could get together like this and really celebrate Kiana's birthday. I know she loved every minute of it. I loved every minute of it for her. So I'm excited. I'm happy for her. But anyway, so we're about to go meet Kiana. Actually, we're about to go get breakfast, and then after that, it's a complete wrap. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this out here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. Stay tuned for more vlogs. Stay tuned for more content. Always like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe so you guys can see more of us, more of my friends, because my friends like to travel, honey, and I love it. I do. We passport ready, baby. Love that for us. So you'll definitely be seeing more trips from us. Probably sometime within the same year, you'll be seeing more from me. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, your girl is out. Your girl is done. Your girl body is sore from them damn Atvs and Ziplines. But anyway, bye you guys.